More Scotland prep once again. Jamie's here doing the gears.
Once again.
They'll be done again after Lock Gelly. Maybe twice if I've got a gearing wrong, so we geared it down a bit from last time.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Jamie moaning about doing the tyres even though he's the one that bent this room.
Well. Yeah. It's as good as new, mate. I'm going to have to charge you for this rim to give you it back.
If anybody wants any wheel repairs, hit him up.
Or even better, don't.
Got a new fridge in a bus. Look at all these tyre prep. All for a joint Scotland. Yeah, happy son, ain't you? Just moving the axles for tarmac. We've already done the front. Out of the crossweight a bit. It's very warm this week. Too hot. So Scotland ready. New fridge. Oh, love a new fridge day. Got it. Food. Be somebody's bed. Bed's all ready. Not many people get to see it here very often. Get a few messages off people, bus enthusiasts saying what's it like inside. So yeah, this is it. Got everything you need for living: microwave, fridge, running water, cooker, obviously seat, TV. Yeah, 2 seats at the front, settee here. Makes into a bed. It's in bed soak now. Bed under there, double bed there, and then you got another sink here, toilet here, and that could be a shower at the back. It's fitted out for a shower but never used it. So that is it. The old girl is ready for trip north of the border.
We're en route. We're on the jolly tour. Guy, how we feeling?
Confident.
Confident. Predictions for tomorrow, Lockhelly?
Heat and final. 2 heats and a final.
2 heats in the final. Jamie, what do you reckon?
Oh, I don't know. Well, could be 2 weeks to the final at Lockhelly.
How's the bus running, Guy?
It's beautiful. It's like an old fine clock just ticking along. Show them a new fridge.
We got all the mod cons.
Yeah.
New fridge.
Operated by an app.
Bluetooth controlled fridge. We got catering, courtesy of Mrs. Jolly. We are living the dream on the way to Scotland.
We're 40 miles from Scotch Corner on the old Scottish adventure. Just got some diesel. Now we're about to set off again. Everybody's on a beer. Peter's what are you thinking, Peter? First trip up Scotland?
Thoroughly enjoyable.
Yeah. We've just had an argument with some security guard. Don't know what about, but it was an argument. Thought he was driving a lorry, not a bus. But yeah. Yeah, we're 40 miles from Scotch Corner, so we're going to get on. We'll keep you updated, but yeah, we're going to have some fun and frolics, haven't we, this weekend, Peter? Jamie's being quiet for once.
Yeah. You're going to have a scrap with security bloke.
Yeah, I know.
Well, would.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll catch up soon. Saturday morning and we're in Clan Lodge Services, nice little service area. Done about 400 miles last night, and Peter's on a bacon.
Hey.
Oh, Jamie, Peter's there as well. But yeah, lovely day, not far to go. Have a bit of food, cup of coffee, and then on a boat again.
Got a phobia of bridges.
Here we go, lads. Woo! Oh, have a look out, Pearl Carney Bridge, look. Here we go. Talk to me.
Right, we've got some good bridge action going on here.
The thing is, Peter, can you name all three of the bridges?
Can't name any of the bridges.
Can you?
Yeah. Bridge 1, 2, 3. Nah, this is I think one's called a fourth boat. I don't know what the other two are. But they're nice old bridges.
Good old good, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've had a luxurious night on the bus. We've had bacon sarnies this morning. Jamie's made the tea and coffee. Guy disappeared into the bushes with a lorry driver for 20 minutes. Not sure what they were up to.
Shannon done us some nice tea, didn't she?
Yeah, had some nice pizza and garlic bread. We're all using the correct child seats. Seen some lovely scenery. Saw a deer chasing some sheep.
We see a deer dog.
Yeah. Beautiful, look at this.
Yeah, man, business.
Good bit of motorcycle riding going on there. We'll soon be there, happy days.
Peter doing his housework. Maria will be impressed. Showing off some nice legs there.
Polished up for the winner's photo when you have eaten one.
Mr. YouTuber John Brown next to us sort of day. And now we're going to go on a track walk. So, you know, there he is. I'll just give you Paige a plug for you again.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
I've not plugged yours.
No.
Guy fancies being a flag marshal today. Yeah, go up there. If they kick you out and ban you, Jamie will race the car. Don't worry.
Or shall I go to starters rush? We'll get on the starters rush.
What do you remember of this place from last time you were here? Any luck or?
No, I jacked a car up in the first race. Well, there's about 6 of us. Done a lot of damage, and then in the Grand National we was 4th, I think, and in the clock with 2 laps to go. It wasn't a good weekend last time, was it? No.
He's got his best trackies on, look.
Then I spent the night waving kebabs in Jamie's face.
Yeah, I bet you were waving something in Jamie's face. You look like a chav man dressed like that.
It's because I am. I'm warm, that's the thing.
Part of the Eastern Massive. Look at this. It's a good facility here. Isolation chamber. Oh yeah, go on, you turn. Oh, it's nice in here, isn't it?
I'll edit that out. Nice facility, lot Gelly, lovely cafe, lovely stand and bar there, new stand there. Jamie, I don't know what he's doing. But yeah, another stand there. V8
Headline formula.
That's what it is tonight down there. Saturday, 3rd of May. Could have a summer break here, look. So yeah. Peter's impressed with it. He's going to live up here.
Yeah.
Maybe he's going to be moving jobs next week. Good arrive, look. Waiting to get in through the gate. We're here waiting. Peter's put some bits out. Team Meerkat Racing. Isn't that right, Peter? Just getting in the zone.
It is 2:15. We're about half an hour away from practice. yet, mate. Bob.
You still got weight on it, son? Yeah, it's still weight on that side.
Yeah, no, it's good. Fucking hell, I got...
That's gone a bit now. Seat's gone a bit. Give me out, I'll knock it from the back of spoon under there.
Go on. Yeah, it's going. Yeah, you got to go a bit more yet, no son.
Can't get a good swing. How much you got that? Oh, fuck me. Here we go.
No, you got to go more yet, mate. Oh! Now give me the hammer.
Scotland!
Amateur, these amateur vloggers getting involved.
Where's him staying?
You might wind in now.
We are the Italian
I'm
hackers.
just purely doing it just because I wanted him to get to cod.
Got a little stroke there.
The first two don't tend to change. It's just seven. They tend to be where they are. Unless you bet the box.
Nice. day, but got a lovely own spotlight. Jamie's changing gears ready for Cowden beef. Not a good night, to be fair. Struggled really with a car in the heats, kept changing it, got it better. Was in a bit of a rough and tumble stock car race with Grant Leather and a couple more, and yeah, that's where we got put in a wall. So that done that, and then Grand National just right off again. So on to tomorrow at Cowden beef. There's Abby, look. So yeah, that's it. See you tomorrow. Oh, Peter's doing barbecue as well.
No, I went to Fun Tom.
It is 11 o'clock. Jamie's fed, Peter's fed, Shannon's doing Buster Archie's to a nick of their food. They're discussing engines.
We're not worried about the racing now, we're worried about the food.
We could do a Gordon Ramsay here, like. We ain't got no lights now, they switched the lights off, did put 50 pence in a metre. So yeah. Just at Cowden beef, queuing to get in. All transporters, look. Gates. Peter's just give you a tour, I think, but yeah. Day 2, hopefully have more luck than day 1, where he was pointless and had a trip to the wall. So yeah, see how we get on today.
keeps inviting you to all these meetings? Where's your hive is?
Don't have it today.
best. 7th in a national at Cowden Beef was about as good as it got.
It was. But then we finished with some nice views and like you can be a tour guide.
Like and subscribe. Hopefully we got some new Scottish followers. Had a lot of interest in the car, a lot of people coming over and having a look.
There was.
We were made to feel very welcome.
Yeah. Good weekend, just not so much results wise, so got up to Skegness.
Onwards and upwards to Skegness.
But yeah, thanks for watching. So quick reflection just to finish this vlog. Yeah, Scotland, it wasn't a brilliant weekend. Struggled with the balance of a car all weekend. Brilliant social. Peter keeping the page updated with everything. Top notch all weekend. Got a real lot of people involved, so appreciated that. Scottish fans and promotion, brilliant. Treats real well. Spoke to a lot of new people. Had come to watch a V8s and also have a lot of positive feedback for them, and obviously our own personal page and YouTube, which is always nice to hear. Nice to see it. We've got a few followers up there as well, which is good. Yeah, weekend just was a bit of a write-off really. Yeah, just not a good weekend to be fair. I had a push with a car all weekend. It just couldn't get to rotate mid-corner, which in less technical terms is when you're going in a corner and you want to be getting on a power on the apex to come out a corner, you're still pushing on into it off the gas, which is on tarmac, can lose you a lot of time, and just suffered with that all weekend. Kept trying bits on a car, set up changes, taking some cross out, taking some lead out the axle, putting a bit in, and yeah, just sometimes it'd be a bit better, sometimes a bit worse, and in the end we just hit a place where it was kind of okay and we stuck with it, salvaged a few points, and back to a drawing board for Skeg. Got a few ideas we're going to try here and hopefully improve it, and then back on a good old shale at Bradford on the 31st of May. So yeah, thanks for watching this. Hope you enjoy it. Try to have a bit of a laugh. As I said earlier, Peter's in control of a Facebook page, Team Meerkat Racing 222. Tries to have a laugh and engage with people on there, which he's doing really well at the moment thanks to his regular updates. So thanks to Peter for doing that. And yeah, if you enjoy this, like and subscribe, and on to the next one we go. So thanks for watching. One as well before I go, new grades are out. Looks like we're back down to blue, unfortunately. Yeah, yeah, back down to blue, but got to mention him, Mr. 552, Mr. Dexter Gwynn. He's as he likes to keep bragging about, he's currently beating me in the points, and he's took my spot at red. So yeah, he's well done to him, and as you can see this, he'll yeah, he's going to give me some crap for this for the next however many weeks. So yeah, take out on the chin and watch out lad, because we're coming for it back.